Hi, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Miles.
And this is...
Me.
Coming at you with another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raid of the show, where we show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from...
Taiwan.
Yeah, this is a box from Taiwan from Mom's Dry Noodle. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Alright, so I asked the folks over at Mom's Dry Noodle if they had some samples of their Dandan Noodle to shoot over. It's been on the top 10 list for a few years, and I wanted to do a new picture for it. So they sent some more, and I'll do another review and all that. And here it is. Yeah, I love this one. It's got a bunch of sachets with it. It's a dry noodle. It's got some sauces and things like that, and it just comes together so well. Super tasty, super awesome. So yeah, I'll be redoing this one. And then we've got this. What do we have here? So it's a little box. I don't know what's inside. It kind of looks like utensil. And it's kind of like a neat little pencil box. And yeah, you've got a reusable fork, spoon, and a pair of chopsticks. Very nice. Thank you. And when I do reviews for companies, I've gotten in the habit, well, at least when I receive samples from them, of asking if they have any like bowls that have their logo on them or anything like that. And generally most places don't have one, but these guys do because they've got their own chain of restaurants now. And so I'm really stoked on this. This is a Mom's Dry Noodle restaurant bowl. It's got their logo up here, and it's really neat because this is like perfect, absolutely perfect. Look at how deep this is. It's not super deep. That is a big issue I find with bowls to do like a dry noodle with. And yeah, this is great. Thank you very much. I'm really stoked on this. All right, cool. Well, big thank you to Kyle, Perry, and everybody else over at Mom's Dry Noodle for sending this great stuff over. Looking forward to trying it again. And yeah, super cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with enjoyment of your noodles
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.